Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing the magnetic eyelashes from Bare Beauty Bar in Bombshell. All right, so I wanted to come on here and do a review on these Bombshell magnetic lashes by Bare Beauty Bar. The first thing we'll do is kind of open up and look at the packaging here. So these are the lashes in Bombshell. They come in right now in 3 different styles. These are the most dramatic of the 3. They all come with their own magnetic liner, and then they say "Dare to go bare" here on the box. So that's it as far as packaging goes. So these are the lashes, and also the other cool thing here is that if you pull these off, they have this little magnetic strip here, and that actually holds the lashes on in the box. So this is a nice little container. I love things like this that give you like a whole container to keep your product in, because I tend to not kind of use and abuse my lashes unless I have something that kind of forces me to keep them in a nice place and keep them safe and keep them all together. So I like the idea of this being the packaging and also the permanent storage container for these lashes. These lashes are the first lashes on the market that have 8 magnets. Normally, if you're getting like the cheaper ones off Amazon, they have 3, which would be 1 here on the each end and then 1 in the middle. Some of the bigger brands will have 5, which would be the 2 on the end, the 1 in the middle, and then 1 in between the middle ones. These ones have 8, which in theory should help them hold on better. You shouldn't have any like lifting in areas because there's pretty much a magnet on every single part of this lash, but it's not one solid strip. So you can still, move it and bend it to fit your eye. Before you put any type of lashes on, magnetic or glue on, you always want to put mascara on your own lashes first. One, you've just probably done your makeup and you've got powder in places, and your eyelashes are going to look lighter if you just throw your false lashes right on top of them, and you're gonna see all those little lighter hairs. The other reason being also, you don't wanna apply mascara after you put your lashes on, because it will get product on your lashes and it will cause them not to last as long. So you want to go ahead and just get mascara on your own lashes first. And I'm just using the Tarte Big Ego mascara here. And I'm also gonna do my bottom lashes, because once you get these lashes on, especially since they are more dramatic, it's gonna be a lot harder for you to get to these little baby these little baby lashes, and you don't want to get mascara in your hair because that'll make a mess. But yeah, it's a little bit harder to get to these baby lashes once you put on lashes, especially if they're more dramatic. So it's just easier to do all of this beforehand. And this just helps blend your own eyelash into the false lashes. So you're gonna take this liner and you're gonna do, like I said, you want it to not be super crazy thick. We are gonna go back over once we apply the lashes with a actual liquid liner, and then you can thicken up your wing or whatever as much as you want, but this is really just to get these lashes on. So we're gonna go ahead and you want to start in the inner corner and follow your whole line, and I like to come out just a little bit past my lashes for multiple reasons. Some of these, especially more dramatic ones that I tend to buy. All right, and then I just want to go, I can't talk while I'm doing this, but I just want to go into this inner corner and just bring it all the way down. And like I said, I just like to bring this wing out a little bit, really, because especially with the more dramatic lashes, it's gonna come out a little bit further possibly than my eyelid. So I like to just bring that out a little bit, and it just looks like a little bit of a wing anyway, so it's not a huge deal. If you don't let it dry and you go to put the lash on right away, A, it's gonna move around, and B, when you go to take the lashes off, it's essentially going to have dried to the magnet instead of to your eyelid. There's gonna be little patches, and that stuff is gonna be stuck to the magnets. And the problem with that is then you have to clean those magnets a lot more, and the integrity of the lashes are not gonna last as long. So you really wanna let the liner dry, and that's really gonna get you the most wears out of your magnetic lashes. These lashes say that they are good for up to 40 uses, which is really awesome. But we'll definitely see how many uses I really truly get out of these and how much cleaning I have to do to keep them and maintain them. All right, so once you have these dried, you can go ahead and take your lash, and we're going to literally just put these on. Decide where you want them to start, and then attach them. And that is it, literally. Boom, done on my eye. like I said, the biggest, I think, learning curve to these is just getting good at putting the liner on, because even you can see I have a couple spots and stuff. I'm gonna fix that line up with my regular eyeliner. And then that is them on here. This is what they look like. And then we're just gonna take our little felt tip Sex Kitten little pen here, and we're gonna just go right over the top part of this line. You can just use the lash as your guide, and I just do this because I like to like thicken it up a little bit and give it a little wing at the end. And then I'm gonna come in here and just attach this to the inner corner so that it looks like one solid line and not a lash and then a weird blank space of nothing. And that's it. So that's like, boom, done, really easy. This is what they look like. These are the most dramatic ones out of the 3 that she has. I am super extra and dramatic, so I like to have like the big crazy lashes. So these were kind of like, I saw these and I was like, I need those ones. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I will put a link for these. They are sold out right now on our website, but she is going to be restocking them. So I'll put the link down there for you so that you can get to them, add them to your wish list or whatever. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and go ahead and like this video for me. I'd really appreciate it. And then also just make sure you hit that little notification bell, because otherwise you're not going to get notifications on any videos that I do. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.